Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change or how to customize the ringtone in this device. For this, go to settings, then scroll down, tap on the option sounds and vibration, then again scroll down. Here you can see the option ringtone. Tap on this one to change. If you want to set a inbuilt ringtone that you get from the device itself, you can select from the classic themes or you can select from the aquamorphic themes. If you select the classic theme, now you can see the Realme tone is selected. You can select any one from here. So here I am going to select this one, calm. Now you can see the ringtone is changed. So from the aquamorphic themes also you can easily select the ringtone. So here I select this one. Now you can see the ringtone is changed. So if you want to customize the ringtone that if you want to set a ringtone that you download to a device, select the option on this device, then it will directly go to the file where you download the MP3 file, and from here you need to select the ringtone. So here I am going to select this one. Now I selected. Now go back. Now you can see the ringtone is changed. You can see. So simply in this way we can change or customize the ringtone in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.